All right, everybody, so welcome to Zadar in Croatia. This is day number 4 of the Croatia road trip. I'm gonna take you into the old town of Zadar. So during the colder months, they do not have the free Spirit EU walking tours. So we found one online and we'll put the link in the video description. It's by Jestsetting Fools. And it is a self-guided walking tour, so that's what we're gonna do today. And the first stop right here is the land gate. So you right there, come on, come along with us as we go on a tour of Zadar. Okay, so tip number 1, we found free parking outside of the old town. So one of our big concerns when we were finding an Airbnb was, do you go in the old city? But then if you do, I don't even think you can drive in the old city. Where do you park? What do you do? So we went a little further out of the old city. So we found on Google Maps it said free parking, and when we got there we confirmed with some folks that it actually is free parking. So we will drop that link in the video description. So if you're like us, frugal, or you just want to save a couple extra bucks because you want to buy some, sodas down at the pier, park here. So park free, live happy.
The Kopnina Vratra. I'm sure it's really wrong, but this is the land gate of Zadar. It was built in 1543, also called the city gate, was once the main entrance into the walled town. The ornate gate features 6 columns and 3 archways. The coats of arms of the Venetian Republic and the city of Zadar are above the 2 outer arches, while the St. Mark's winged lion and a smaller statue of St. Chrysogonus decorate the space above the center arch. So because it was once ruled by the Venetians, there's a Venetian coat of arms. Pretty cool.
Found money.
How much did you find?
5 Lipa, I'm guessing.
Lipa?
Oh no, that's what it says under the 5.
Do you remember what the currency of Croatia is?
Kuna.
So do you think that might be Italian money?
I don't know.
I don't know, we'll find out, but she found some
really
Lipa.
know.
Maybe it's worth $1 million.
I don't know, it only says 5.
I think it's worth 5 Lipa.
Yeah.
All right, we'll Lipa
sense.
back to you and we'll put it right here in the comments. How much it's worth.
Unless that's a word, because in an American coin we have little sayings
Oh, that's
around
true.
it. So maybe that could just be I don't know how they speak their language.
TBD.
We are in 5 Wells Square. The 16th century wells were built to supply drinking water to the city at a time when the Turks threatened to invade. The captain's tower, built as another protective measure against the Turks, dominates the square from the far end.
So stop number 3 is Jelena, J-I-L-E-N-A Park, and it's built over an old place that they used to store their military arms, and you can climb all the way to the top in the city. And you can see how absolutely gorgeous it is.
In the background, it's like the mountains
all
on
around.
one side, the sea on the other.
Ooh, I'm getting dizzy. I'm gonna fall off. Where'd you go?
The mountains are on one side. Boop. They're stunning in person, and the sea is on the other. What?
The sea.
The sea's over there. See through these trees?
Yeah, but mommy said
Gorgeous.
So in the square just outside the park, there is these little glass walkways, and underneath it is Roman ruins. At the cross side of the square, there's also a Roman column, and then right in the middle is a sarcophagus of a monk. I think it said from the 1st or 2nd century. So Zadar just keeps giving. Pretty cool. All right, so it's snack time in the middle of the tour. We went into a little grocery store called Konsum. Makes sense. What'd you get?
I got like a little apple strudel thing.
Nice.
Yum.
And I got a little cheese dish. What did you get, young sir?
Pringles.
Yeah, enjoy.
And me and Charlie, Charlie got everyone to share. I'm just eating everybody's food.
Smart. All right, so we took a jaunt down to the waterfront. It's supposedly one of the best Oh, I thought that was Amanda. That's a rando. Thought it was one of the best, supposedly one of the best sunsets in the world, even better than Key West. Amanda and I have seen the Key West one. It was absolutely beautiful. We love Koh Tao the most so far, but we look forward to checking out the sunset here.
There's a big trampoline.
That's awesome. I wonder if we can go play on it.
You look at it.
So this is real cool. Behind us there's like a trampoline park that you can play on. There's a playground, so great place to come down with kids and hang out. And the kids are pumped, so am I.
Not an ordinary organ by any means. The organist of is the sea itself. The water pushes air into the 35 pipes positioned below the steps to play chords of music. The soothing sounds entertains locals and tourists alike. The steps and sounds attract many for sunset. Beautiful. How does it do that?
Yeah.
The water pushes the air in the same way if you would blow on an instrument and hear a sound. The water actually pushes air in.
What do you think, Charlie Cam?
I think it's pretty cool.
Agreed.
What are you doing? Are you just listening?
Huh?
Are you listening?
Huh?
Are you listening?
Yeah, to that. You can hear it.
Yep. See, here's all the holes. I bet you hear them over here, coming out like little anthills.
This kind of scary. It is kind of scary music.
They call it hauntingly beautiful.
Did you just make that up?
No?
What is like
So this has been one of my favorite parts of the day, sitting here watching the sunset with this lovely, lovely family and just hearing the sea organ play. And because I told them we could go back to the car and get jackets, I am without a jacket in Croatia in December. So the sunset goes out to Wim Hof and his method, which I have not studied on, so I'm very cold. So Wim Hof, hit me up in the comments and let me know how not to freeze. Enjoy the sunset. All right, so just after the sea organ is the greeting to the sun, which uses the solar energy of the sun during the day, and then at the night, it puts on a giant light show, essentially, which we're gonna go play on right now.
a giant dance floor.
You can kind of
Go in a helicopter for this. Oh, yeah.
What do you mean in a helicopter? To see it from the air?
Yeah, because it's going in a pattern.
That would be cool. We need a drone.
Oh, that would be great.
There's Ryder. Tired, buddy? So what do you guys think about the greeting to the sun?
We're cold. We're cold because you said the car was nearby and we could get our jackets if it got once it got cold. But now, no, the car isn't that close to everyone.
You sit on a throne of lies.
Apparently, you lied how long the hike would be. You lied how far a distance the car. You apparently lie a lot about distances. You like to lie about that.
Well, distance is all relative.
I don't know, it's measured.
I was using the metric system. You were using the other one. Wow, that's cool doing cartwheels.
Good job, Ryder. You need help?
My man. Was a popcorn and cotton candy on the streets, and the streets are all lit up. Everyone's feeling a little warmer. How's the popcorn? Good. There comes the cotton candy. That thing's huge.
Wait, is it mine?
Ellie.
That's awesome.
It's for all of us. I was
Cool.
like, wait. the popcorn machine?
So it's really neat. We thought we were cold, but everything is coming alive, and so are we, with some sugar and some mulled wine. But we're still going to the car, but it's been a lot of fun. Okay. All right, everybody, thanks for joining us on day 4 of Upton Family Adventures. We can't wait to see you tomorrow. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll see you later. Goodbye.
Bye, guys.